Hey friends, it's time to do a little mini madness. Yay! I am so excited. I am pre-filming and let me know what's been going on. We're going away to the beach this weekend. Yes. I can't wait to stuff my face with seafood, walk on the boardwalk, and just not think about work, and it's gonna be glorious. So while I'm away, I do have videos lined up for you all. Here's my schedule. So let's see, today's August 14th. Yesterday you saw the sinking funds lineup. Tomorrow you will see a Temu haul, a home storage organization, Temu haul. This Saturday I have my countertop video coming out, how I did those faux marble countertops with epoxy. Check that out if you're interested. Spoiler alert, the countertops are absolutely gorgeous, and wow, I'm amazed with how they turned out. I'm going to do a YouTube check video where this video that I'm filming now is actually not going to air until the 21st. So quite a little bit away. I'm going to do a little mini Christmas stuffing. And then when I get back, I'll have a cash stuffing and savings challenges. So we have a full schedule. I made it happen. I rearranged some money and yeah, we're doing it, baby. So mini madness, we've got 50 bucks. So let's count it out here real quick. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40, 42, 4, 6, 47, 8, 9, 50. I barely have any ones, so I'm gonna need to, you know, probably rearrange some things and whatever, but that's all of the ones that I had. So that's that. And where is this money coming from? It's just a little bit of a buffer that I had in my bank account. If you've been with me for a bit, you know I actually don't really like to keep a buffer because then I spend it. So this money is going to go into savings and it will be better there. I actually already transferred it over, so we're good to go. All right, let's do it. So if you are new to Mini Madness, first of all, if you're new here in general, okay, there's this channel that I follow, Hot Mess Mama. She actually has 3 channels. I absolutely love her. Check her out. She is, very large channels, and I love her. And so she started doing lives every Monday in the afternoon, and it's so fun to just chat with a YouTuber that you like. But anyway, I was chatting with a couple people on there. They said they may check out my channel. So if that is you, hi. My name is Wendy, aka the Thrifty Sewist, and what we're doing here is we're saving our money, but we're playing with it first to make it fun. And so, yeah, it's just kind of a little bit of a more motivating way to save money rather than just transferring it into the bank account. We kind of play with it a little bit first, okay? So that's the deal here. But this is my Espresso Yourself binder. This is available in my Etsy shop. Now, my Etsy shop, let's see, you're watching this on the 21st. So my Etsy shop is currently closed. It will actually be back open. I don't know, maybe I'll open it today. I'm going to open it probably a couple days before I get back to give you all time to place orders, and then I will be starting to work on the orders once I return. But this is available in my Etsy shop. I also have a junk food one, a sweets one, and lots of other good stuff. And there are 11 challenges in here. So what we do is we roll a 12-sided die. I have the challenges numbered here in the corner. Whatever number the die gives us is what challenge we're going to do. And if I happen to roll a number 12, because there are 11 challenges, I get to choose. So let's get going. And we got a number 1. So with this one, you have your little coffee beans and you save $1 per bean. And you guys, 50 bucks is kind of a lot. Again, for me to be putting in this, I think I did 50 last time, and it's a good amount. And we're getting close. I feel like maybe we could finish a couple of these today. I don't know. I'm hoping so. It's super exciting. So we got 2 beans, which is $2. By the way, this $50 bill I have over here, that is just what I'm actually going to put in the envelope instead of putting all the small bills. It's just easier for me to pull the small bills as I go. So that's the deal with that. Number 6 is a little scratch off here, and we got $3. And again, I am gonna have to, I hope that this all works out with the change, because I only have, I think, 4 ones. So we're gonna, actually that's 5. So I'm gonna just put these back right away and take a 5. We're gonna kind of condense as we go. That's the best I can do for today. Okay. Number 7. So yeah, having very limited amount of ones tells me I need to do a cash condensing. So maybe that video will be coming soon. Maybe I'll film that when I get back. We'll see. All right, this is a roll and save. So we got a 6. Let me grab a marker. And there is only 1 6 on here because I tried to keep it low for you guys. So we're done with the biggest number on here, which is awesome. So 5 and 6 going in. Number 1 again, and I think that's the last one on here. Yes, we're gonna finish a challenge. All right, it looks like we have 3 beans. So we're gonna put in $3, and I hope you all are doing well. Like I said, I am currently away. Who knows how my daughter's behavior is right now. I am hoping for the best with that. We'll see how it goes. All right, number 4. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. All right, this one, you roll a 6-sided die. So we got a 1, which is sugar cubes. So we're saving $3. And once again, I'm gonna put back 5 and take a $5 bill. And I'm just gonna keep doing that till I run out of the 5s. All right. Number 6 again. All right. $2. Okay. So $2 going in here. Number 2. Updates with the house, if you're wondering. I don't know, you guys, we're just doing stuff. Like I said, we've been doing a lot of painting. I've almost finished the backsplash in the kitchen. I'm 99% there. I'm hoping to maybe finish that up tonight. The countertops are done. The cabinets are done. We have our kitchen flooring half finished. I actually had to order more. So that is half done. It is beautiful. As far as the bathroom goes, I'm doing a couple things in there. So that still needs to be done. The biggest thing right now is the basement. So the basement, that's a 7. The basement is going to be my office / craft room. And we are sort of finishing that. So nothing has been done really with that, except that the bricks were knocked down. The bricks, if you saw my house tour, there was like an old yucky bathroom down there with bricks. And so those were knocked down. And that's basically it. My husband did the waterproofing on the walls. So that is done, but you know, we have the wood down there. We need everything to get framed in. 2, 4, 5, just exchanging out for 5. So we need that. We need to, you know, put sheetrock up and whatever. And so that is the biggest thing. We cannot move in until that's finished because I need to work from there, like my day job. So that's probably, I guess, going to be started when we get back, and I hope it doesn't take forever. I guess we'll just see, because again, it's really just kind of us doing all the work. We don't have any kind of crew or anything like that, so we'll see. But we are hoping to be in by October. Will it happen? I don't know, but I hope so. I'm just ready to live there, relax, and not have to do like anything for a while. We've been going over, I know I say this all the time, we've been going there every single day. And I mean, our time there is limited because we work during the day. So we have to go after work, and then we can't stay there too late because we work the next day and we have kids, $5 going in. And so, you know, we can only get a couple hours there every night, and yeah, we're just doing what we can when we can. All right, number 4 again. I don't want to get this one because I want to make progress towards other challenges, but the die decides our fate. All right, number 1 again for sugar cubes, $3 once again. And again, I'm out of ones, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Take this last 5, and we're running low now, you guys. Let's see what we can do. That is number 1, which I think we finished, right? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to, instead of rolling again, I'm just going to choose, because that way I can, you know, choose what I want and not have the die give me what I won't. And let's work on this one again. This is one we haven't rolled that much. So looks like we got a latte here, which is $1. Yes, I like that. That means more money for more challenges. So let's put in $1. And we got a 9. Okay, and this is our last one here. So we're gonna do a roll and save. To keep it low, I'm gonna use my 1 through 3 die. And yes, we like that too. A number 1. Look at how many ones we got on there. Number 1 going in. I'm actually going to take these 2 back and put a 2. And yeah, I almost confused myself. All right, number 5. Let's see what number 5 is. If you got this binder, let me know how you're liking it. I know a bunch of you picked it up, so thank you so much for that. But yeah, let me know if you're enjoying it, how much progress you've made in it so far. Did you even start it yet? Because I want to know. All right, 5. We don't like 5s. We want to keep it low, low, low. So $5 going in. Let's go again. Number 10. Okay. Oh, the multiplier. All right, this is our last one on here though. So once this is done, we will have finished it. Okay, yes, times 2. Now, I want to roll a 2 on here. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, a 2. That was 4. $4 going in. And what I meant to say was I want a 1 to put in $2. But, you know, my brain, trying to multitask is very difficult for my brain. Okay, but we did finish that, so yay! All right, number 12. Yes, I get to choose. And y'all know I'm going to go back and choose number 8 here again to make more progress towards it. Looks like we got another latte. Yes. Okay. The money goes fast, you guys. We are really getting down to it. So let's go again. Number 8. Yes. I like it. Okay, we have espresso for $2. Let's keep rolling. 8s. I'm liking this. 10. Did we finish 10? We did. So I'm just going to go back here to number 8. I'm kind of cheating. But again, trying to make progress on this one. Okay, this is another latte. Do you guys like coffee? I know Tracy does not over at Golden Girl Budget. She's more of a hot chocolate girl. I used to be, and then, I don't know, one day I just started drinking coffee. I have no idea why. But I really like it now. So, $2 going back again. And I like espresso. I like lattes, cappuccinos, things like that. So if you are a coffee person, let me know, what is your favorite kind of coffee? Number 11. Okay, we're working on the scratches here first, so let's go here. Yes, $1. And that might be it. I'm probably just gonna write down whatever I have left so that I don't risk an IOU, but let's see. If we put $1 in, 1, 2, we have $3. Oh, this is the decision time. Let's see what we would have gotten. We would have gotten a 9. Oh, which is done anyway, which means I get to choose. All right, let's just do the 3. Let's write it down here and call it good. And then we're gonna put in our $50 and we're gonna see what we got going on here. Okay, so in total, so far we have 51, 20, 30, 45, 50, 150, 1, 2, 3, $153. Yes. And like I said, I have no idea what it adds up to, but I'm guessing it's around 200 or so. just because that seems to be what the other binders are. So that is my guess. Let's see how many challenges we've finished though. Out of 11, we have 1 and 1. I know there's one more. 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 challenges done out of 11, so that's pretty good progress, I think. If I can get another $50 in the near future and put it towards this, that might get us like almost right there to finishing it. So yes. All right, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.